Getting your air conditioning serviced. Maintaining your air conditioning system is a very important process. If you think that your air conditioning system is not working properly, then you need an expert to fix it for you. Having regular maintenance could help you avoid most of air conditioning problems. The best time to have your air cooling system checked is in the spring season, because this will help you detect any problem associated with the system early enough to be fixed before summer comes in. Schedule the maintenance date in spring and you will guarantee that your air conditioning system will work smoothly throughout the hot season. It is very important to deal with professional air conditioning service providers in order to get the best results. An expert is able to check every part of the system and fix those small glitches that can grow into bigger problems if left untreated. For example, fixing a leaking connection could save you a lot on recharging refrigerant gas once more. In fact, if you perform regular maintenance checkups on your system, you may not need to recharge the gas ever. Professional service providers will check the hoses and connections to make sure nothing is leaking, check that the thermostats are working properly and that the refrigerant gas level is optimum. Such simple checkups can make a great difference on your air conditioning system performance. If the airflow into the AC unit is obstructed, it will not work properly. An experienced service provider will make sure that that outer unit is not obstructed and air is flowing in smoothly. He or she will also check the air filter condition to make sure they are performing well. Obstructed or dirty air filters will affect the air condition efficiency as well as being a source of airborne diseases. Your expert would be able to clean these filters thoroughly or replace them whenever needed. On the long run, regular maintenance is much cheaper than repairing costs of faulty AC units. If you have your system regularly checked, it would work for a longer period before you need to replace it. In other words, regular maintenance would protect your investments by increasing the lifespan of your AC unit. To lower your maintenance costs, have all your AC units checked by the same service provider. To make it even better, sign a maintenance contract when you are buying your units and you will get a better rate. For more great information about air conditioning units, http://airconditioningprices.net/ and window air conditioners. We have a range of great tools and resources on our website, http://airconditioningprices.net/. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Elijah_James/283520